Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a group on Signal. So let's start. First open the Signal app. Signal is a private messaging app just like WhatsApp and Telegram. This is the home screen of the app and you will see all of your conversations here. You will also see a blue pencil icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on that. Then tap on New Group at the top of the screen. Now tap on the participants you want to add. And then tap on the arrow icon. Now enter the group name. And then tap Create. And it will take a few moments to create the group chat. And if you have participants who are not on Signal, then it will automatically send them an invitation link. Now tap OK. And your group is now created. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.